Ladies and gentlemen, right about now, you don't know, say, it's another day, so it's another vlog. Right now, I just want to say your blessings and respect to everybody who forward out again and support another vlog. Taking the time out on the day if you can watch and support this. Me I say blessings and respect to you. I soon know like up the video them, so please remember for always leave a like on the vlog them and leave a comment. As me always tell you, if I even if I say big up my G's them, me appreciate down to the people in my comment and say first. You know what I mean? So blessings and respect to you. Today vlog, like always, we don't show what we are doing yet, because we just video with day as we go by. We don't plan nothing, we don't fear nothing, we just do where the day bring we, you know what I mean? So we don't know what we're going for today yet. I think Candy come link with that much. I know, yo, the sun just come out and tear off all of my face now. Oh my god. The sun is real. Oh my god, we need this in my life. We need some vitamin sun. So yeah, as me say, we're planning the day today. Me tell Chaba say go jerk. You do jerk?
I don't know how to fish.
Chaba, yeah, do jerk.
Anything.
Fish and jerk?
Yeah.
Jerk fish.
Yeah.
Catch you fish them and jerk them.
You know I eat them fish?
No, me not eat no lake fish.
Alright, so we buy 2 fish and
No, buy fish for jerk. Buy chicken for jerk. Jerk
chicken.
chicken.
Try chicken. A long time I don't eat chicken.
Candy no want no
So somebody
chicken.
turn on my camera to know?
Candy you want jerk chicken?
What's my phone?
He's upset.
Come here. Plug up this one.
$50 on your head since you start?
No. Yes. Plug up my ears.
I mean, can you stop touching his face?
Hang him.
You said hang him?
Hang him. No bring them over here, so. Where you run come over here so far?
No, what's going to attack me?
Where you run come over here so far?
I'm done.
No, get the rest of them. Candy, I try to get off to watch them. Yeah, Chabas, make him come out. Make Chabas come out. Come on, come out, come out, come out. Look up, look straight up. Bite in your forehead today, you know something.
That was a workout. I'm tired.
Chabas, I got light in fire, you know.
Confused for a second. Light.
Candy, they can't lie.
Whole lot of. Do we do my dance? Is $8,000 pants?
We are trying to bury them.
I forgot I'm paying the 10.
Go watch us on right now.
I can't even look up. Oh Jesus.
Yaad? You're out here bright. Nah, if you live, you know. Where we're going to the life. Gone up for a night there, so. I be a spider nest over there, so we'll go on. See them right in front of this one. Jesus God, he might move fast. Watch out. He nearly burn off the whole line, yeah, bro, then look wild. Alive, I ain't get funny now. Hey, where are you? Take it out.
Kick cold bun. Go to the long to catch, remember?
My, if the big old bag you catch from that.
No problem.
Jesus. So put your bun down out here.
What are the right that's all?
My yo, that not safe.
What are the right that's all?
You see what I do?
Yeah.
Go that long to catch, man.
Can't do over this
Hold
as
on the
well.
chopper, yeah.
Oh, wait, then we can find him. Gone over there so bright like that. Watch out to rat either. Why not feel himself? This one over here, so why not feel himself? This one over here, so why not feel himself?
Don't
This one here, why not feel himself? Because I'm living in a TikTok world. Look what the man do to the fire. Why the man would that do
So
this?
now guys, we're outside. Ooh,
Tell me,
so
watch out, watch out,
outside.
watch out, watch
We're
out.
just catching.
Him over there, so chat. And look on the fire. Watch out. Watch out. See place burn down there now. 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 See. You better go suck out some gas out of bike. Yeah, you better go suck out some gas out of bike. Just suck out the gas out of bike. How you laugh for?
You don't like it?
Me don't know, no, you like it? No, I don't like it.
I go fee for 5,000. Hold on. It's all right, wait.
Boy, I tell you, this is one you out there skip mosquito just to come out of the sun. You go over there and jump over mosquito. I don't know what kind of fire this. The man go cut off his finger and make fire. Me wash some salmon, some salmon. What me I gonna do is lemon pepper jerk Cajun style, you know what I mean? Me I go season it with that and me I go throw it on the grill. You know what I mean? Dash it on the grill. Wash them off. King Candy and Travis I gonna do shrimp. You know what I mean? You don't know me allergic, so me I stay away from this. Over here, so me there. Me just mix up on it, you know what I mean? Slice them up and put in me mix up. If you look well mix up. Well season and fix up. Yo. How do you say? Who beg now get, who no beg now want? Could you could not get the piece there right there, so. The piece there. We put it on this because this, we use this already on this. And do salmon. Fire up underneath it. Salmon up on top on this. I just go cover it right now. and make him doing thing, you know? More excited, man, yes! Yes!
Okay, hold.
Oh! Smash!
Hold, smash!
It's a bubble.
Let me drop.
Yeah, man,
It's
it's a
a
bubble.
lemon head. It's a lemon head.
Oh, yeah,
No,
man.
one more time.
Yeah, man, rings you again.
One
Go
more
on,
time,
man.
One more time. You gotta put
Holy
it
boy, no, man.
One more
Yo,
time.
yo, Candy, just spray the water for the, yo, a peroxide, you know. Nothing I do him, spray it.
It's good for you.
Wash it out and put on the band-aid.
Come on, go.
Oh my God, he's so extra. You're so extra. Are you crying? Jesus Christ, am I crying? It's okay.
Come ready now.
One more time.
Put on the band-aid.
No, spray the something first. The spray pain reliever. Because you're not pain now. We have to relieve it.
Yo, me can't vlog this some more.
It says pain relieving cleansing spray. It doesn't sting.
Go on, go sting him.
It kills 99%.
Ah, come, quick. Before me change your mind.
First of all, hold on.
Once I wipe me.
It does not sting.
This spray on the eye.
What I pray in my mouth?
Nasty, man.
My mouth blind.
Hey, y'all.
Look at that foam.
It a foam.
In the mouth.
Yo, you should have cannot see you.
Yo,
I'm sorry.
yo, put on the band-aid before no bleed out.
I need to spray it. It's cleansing.
Yo,
it.
have a go at it.
Let's
go right tonight. That one, you're wicked.
Yo, come on, man. Shit. Spray the stuff.
That shit burn. Come on, put on the band-aid, man. Yo, it's alright.
Come on. The band-aid. Hold on. I gotta see it.
Come here, no chimney.
Spray him. But Jesus. What him, my man? You're making get away for? Oh, you're making get away? Chicken?
Okay, so band-aid done. Okay, done.
Murder. Yo, can do one kill me, star.
And the mom make one, we can't eat. You look so beautiful.
That one made with love. That one made with love. Okay, shrimp something. Okay, last one. The thing done outside to put this on the grill?
No. Turn me above, turn mine. Some man I go and bubble up, you know? Both a funny fire, make some fire blaze up underneath it. So you can taste it, jerk up and burn up some more, you know? And we want it look jerk, you know, we want it taste jerk, so we want it burn up. You know them type of jerk that we burn up, but not really burn up. You know you burn up on me at all. Shabbos just dash them for the grill. Me no business about them, you know, they make them burn up, you know. You know what I mean? They make them burn up here like here. I watch them now. Yeah man, you there on duty now. Me tell the man cut the side of them and flatten out the thing. So they may look nice, you know.
Colorful.
Chef Chabas on the grill now, me just deal with my salmon. Mama put the salmon in the oven. You know what I mean? This is beautiful. This is wonderful.
Look like cheese.
What look like
Yellow
yellow one?
Yellow one, yeah.
So yeah, I don't know, cover it.
Cover it.
Yeah, arrow wax. Yo, a beer juice. Me can't even. Me say, me have to go wash it while I grill. All the coal them me have to go wash. Who there? They just a flick. Oh, me not touch a dish towel there. You put juice in a dish towel. Jesus Christ. Chabas over here, so the vlog camera vlogging right now. Candy over here tasting. So tell them how the drag salmon tastes right real quick. So damn delicious.
No. It should have been a little spicier.
Oh, sorry. Milky and the laptop same time.
Yeah, it should have been a little. It tastes a little bit of spice. Not too much though.
So my little, you know? Some right there. Some. I just sell my food like a while, you know what I mean? The salmon done. The shish kebab them with the shrimp still there on this, but me not have nothing to do with that. Me not care about that. Yo, I think I lost it up. But for now, yes, they are there, so. So look at shish kebab shrimp then done now. Hold it, my bomba, me now hold it, I better go and take it up. Go and take it up. Come, quick.
Man, touch this thing, man.
You want a piece? It's about now, ladies and gentlemen, when you see what I go on, when you see some done, do my salmon and everything good. Chabas them about to do. Well, the shish kebab done, so we just close the vlog right there. So we just want to say blessings, respect. If you follow out and support the next vlog, going to do anyway, and I will go to the right with me. Yeah.
Hold on then, before we click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in